All right, guys, today we are going to go over how to practice your trading Kung Fu on Ninjatrader 8 using market playback. Okay, so this is the main screen of Ninjatrader. Instead of selecting simulation or selecting my Ninjatrader, we would select playback. All right, when we hit that, this box will come up. We want to make sure we select market replay. Then we will select our instrument. For this demonstration, I will be using NQ with the 9/24 expiration. For the date, I will be using June 27th. Okay, once you select your date, you will hit download. Takes a few seconds to download, then you hit continue. Okay, once you hear that, your data is downloaded, and then from there, you will need to pull up a chart. Pull up your chart, and you must make sure that the instrument matches the instrument that you selected in the playback option, right? So that is the NQ 9/24 expiration. Okay, these fields over here, the only thing that I'm going to worry about is the value for the time frame. Okay, for the type, I have minute selected, and I want to use the 5-minute time frame. You can use whatever you want, but just for this demonstration, I'm going with the 5-minute. All right, I hit OK. That produces my chart. Let me maximize it. All right, as you can see, I don't have anything in front of me, which means it's not in the right place on the chart. Okay, so to center it, there's a box in the corner labeled F. We hit that, it will center it. Okay, and then I can adjust it to exactly how I want it. All right, if we look at the playback screen down here, we will see that right now we're on June 19th at 11 p.m. I wanted the 27th of June, so I need to change that. You can change that by sliding this slider back and forth. By doing that, that will not be as precise as it can be. Okay, so for a precise time, you right click and go to go to. All right. Again, I wanted June 27th. I want 8:30, which is market open for me. I am in the central time zone. 8:30 a.m. Okay, once you do that, it will zoom. Once you do that, it will go exactly to the time that you selected. Again, let me get my chart exactly how I want it. All right, so once we have it ready to go, we just hit the play button and the price action will form. It's beautiful. This gives you the ability to practice as if you were in real time when it was occurring, okay? And this is so much better than the replay option on TradingView because the TradingView replay option, it goes from bar close to bar close, okay? And so you miss all of the intra-bar movement, which is the main thing that we want to focus on. We want to be able to see the possible fake outs. We want to be able to see the formation of each candle, okay? And putting in that time, practicing our setups will make our Kung Fu strong and precise. And that is what is necessary to overcome your opponent. All right, the average trader is not spending time, is not spending hours each day. I practice every day without fail. I love this, I enjoy this, it is fun to me, it's not work. Okay, and each day my Kung Fu gets stronger and stronger. I will be unstoppable soon. And I'm so excited. I see the progress that I'm making. It makes me pleased. I'm staying humble. I'm staying patient. I'm staying the course, okay? And I'm getting better and better. And this is the way that we evolve as traders. Each day we must try to learn something. We must try to improve. Okay, and when you look at yourself months from now, you will be astonished at the progress. All right, so give this a shot. You know, on the weekend, Saturday, futures traders, the market is down. Not for us. We're practicing our setups. My Kung Fu is going to be amazing. That's a Van Damme pose. Somebody help me out. Put in the comments. What movie was this? Is that Bloodsport? I don't know. I don't remember. Anyway, as usual, trust the process. Be patient and don't over leverage, and you will be successful. We'll see you next time.